Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a Kia Optima and you're trying to guys find the fuse for the airbag occupant mat sensor on the front passenger side. On the seat you have a special sensor that when you sit it detects how heavy you are, so it knows whether it needs to activate the passenger airbag in the dash or deactivate it guys. So that's what we will show you today. These guys should work on Kia Optima guys, generation 2010 all the way to 2015. Some years may differ, but most of them will be that way. Also, let me tell you quick, if you have that Kia Optima guys, we'll have more than 200 free electrical and diagnostic videos on this channel you're watching right now. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live, and we'll be having more than 300 mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, transmission apart on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics guys. Okay, World Mechanics right here, check it out. Very helpful information will be shared there, everything from start to finish, videos that will teach you how to practically rebuild your engine. In addition, if you need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Why we make all these videos? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. Let's start on it now. So if you come inside the vehicle next to the food where we can see that fuse box, okay, right here, remove that cover and that's where the fuses are. So what we actually did guys, we took a picture of the fuse box so we can show you with a great detail where all the fuses are located, because through opening that big we cannot get the camera, light and my hand at the same time to point at the fuses guys. But you have actually two airbag fuses, but one of them actually controls the occupant sensor and the airbag system, so that's the one that you need to check if you have problems with the airbag or airbag light on guys. So you need to, the first one that you need to check, come to the very right row on the right side and count the fourth fuse down, 1, 2, 3, 4, that 15 amp fuse, that's the one that you need to check first. Also you have another fuse that you need to check. Okay, this is the main fuse for the occupant mat sensor. But before we get to the second fuse, let me tell you guys, okay, it's very important when you remove the fuses, test them to make sure that they're good or bad, or replace them. Never assume the fuse is good if you cannot see that it's burnt, because you spend so much time and money to fix your car when all you had to do is test the fuse or replace it. And we have a special video that explains how to fix a fuse in just how to replace it in a few seconds, and we'll put that link in the description of the video below for your convenience. So with that being said, where is the second fuse that may be part of the airbag system? You come to the second row from right to left, you go down to the third fuse, that 7.5 amp fuse. It's another fuse that controls the airbag system, so check this one or this one as well. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.